Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who likes you on Badoo for free. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you're simply gonna open up your Badoo app on your phone. Make sure that you have signed in as well. Now if you go to chat section, here you're gonna find the mutual people. If you simply want to check out the profiles, and you're gonna simply choose this likes option, where you will be able to see the profile you have liked. And if you go to simply this encounter section, check out new profiles, which you can simply cross them out or like them according to your preference. So once you have done that to your profile, if it shows it's a match, then you can just say that that person also has liked you. You can simply check out write down a message to them and send them, and that is it. The thing is, in the Badoo site, Badoo only like section is available, where you will be able to check out your liked list. You can sort by for that, near you, etc. But if you want to see who have liked you, there is no such option available in the Badoo itself. Simply have to go to encounters and keep on swiping right on left. If you see if they also have liked you, you're gonna find it's a match, and that is a guess. So that's how you're gonna do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.